In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Gmail account safely and effectively. Whether you're switching emails, no longer need your Gmail, or want to clean up your digital presence, this guide will walk you through the process step by step while ensuring your other Google services remain unaffected. First, start by logging into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This icon might show your photo or just an initial depending on your settings. From the menu that appears, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to the main settings page, which acts as your control center for all Google services, allowing you to manage your data, security, and personal information. Once in your Google account settings, navigate to Data and Privacy. Scroll through the page until you find the section titled More Options, then click on Delete a Google service. For security, Google will ask you to verify your identity by entering your password again. This extra step ensures that no one else can delete your Gmail account without your permission. On the next screen, you'll see a list of all the Google services connected to your account, including YouTube, Google Drive, and Gmail. Look for Gmail and click the trash can icon or delete option next to it. Before you proceed, it's essential to back up any important data. Google provides a tool called Google Takeout, which allows you to download your emails and save them to your computer in a readable format. Once your data is backed up, you're ready to continue. Next, Google will prompt you to provide an alternate email address. This is necessary for account recovery, notifications, and managing any remaining Google services connected to your account. Enter a valid email address and follow the prompts to confirm that you want to delete your Gmail account. Read all warnings carefully. Once deleted, your Gmail inbox and all emails will be permanently removed. After confirming, Gmail will be effectively removed from your account. You will no longer be able to send or receive emails from that address, but your other Google services like Google Drive, Calendar, and Photos will remain active unless you choose to delete your entire Google account separately. Deleting Gmail is a permanent action, so it's crucial to ensure you've saved everything you need and that you're confident in your decision. By following these steps attentively, you can remove your Gmail account smoothly and protect the rest of your Google ecosystem. Taking control of your digital life is empowering, and keeping your account organized and secure is an important part of managing your online presence. Now you know exactly how to delete your Gmail account safely, back up your data, and continue using other Google services without disruption. This process allows you to streamline your email usage while maintaining access to all the tools you rely on daily. Take control of your digital identity, keep your data secure, and manage your accounts wisely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes the process clear and stress-free. Happy emailing!